Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. I have here today in my shop this beautiful 2016 Honda CRV. She came for the regular maintenance, the engine oil and filter. I will be replacing the windshield wipers since it's winter and they're old. They make few streaks. But the other item which the owner mentioned, it's noisy blower motor in the cabin. So let's go check that together. This CRV has a 84,000 miles on the odometer. Let's close the door so we don't have that beeping. And let's see, the key is on. Let's see what kind of noises her blower motor makes. So hopefully everybody can hear it clearly. We know the blower motor is located in the passenger seat. I will bring that microphone and the camcorder closer. We can obviously hope that there is some debris in the cabin air filter area and maybe it's rubbing on the blower motor, but I'm afraid listening to it, it will be bad motor. And obviously the fastest and easiest way to see if something's there is to get in the cabin air filter, which the access is right here. There should be fairly new cabin air filter, and look at that. This is only 5,000 miles old. And let's actually, while this is open nicely, oh, everything just fell out unfortunately. Here it's the opening, and let's see if it changed or if we can see some debris moving and so on. So again, I'm on, and let's go through the speeds. To me, this definitely sounds like a bearing of the motor and not some leaf or some debris rubbing on the blades of the fan. And here you can have a view of this entire area with the light. To get to the blower motor, I replaced this part, and it wasn't screwed there or anything. It has 3 clips, steel clips. Let me put the light on it. 1, 2, and 3. So it just popped down, and I was able to remove it. Now the whole motor is held by 3 silver screws that are down there. And when you remove those and disconnect the wiring harness, the connector, it will nicely pop down. The screws can be removed with a straight screwdriver or a T25 wrench. There is one more to go. After removing all 3, you will be able to see, hopefully, how it's coming down. It was hanging there on one tab, but moving it down first deep inside, it nicely cleared and came out. So here is the part. You can nicely see it, and I think we will hear that bearing noise. These are the 3 screws, plus electrical connector was right here, unclipped. Let's listen to that. Yep. That's the sound we were experiencing. Let's bring the new part. And look at that. This is the replacement part. Just to entertain you, I called Honda. The price is roughly 110. And the Honda dealer said at this moment of January 5th, is it correct? January 5th of 2022. It's on back order, so you cannot order it even. Look how quiet this one is. I called O'Reilly. It will be 5 days. Shipping and extra freight, also roughly $110. This one is from Napa. They had it. And look how quiet it is. Let's go and put it inside. Obviously, it's just the reverse of what we just did. And then I will show you if the repair was successful. I've put everything back. Let's see if we succeeded. You remember that crazy whine? So let's close the door. We don't have any extra noises here. And let's see. Come on. Okay. Completely different experience. That bearing, failing bearing sound, it's gone. I hope you find this video helpful and make sure you are subscribed. I have always way more stuff coming your way soon. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.